Mind Manager discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Mind Manager and how you can use it. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, there is a link in the description below, so make sure you check that link out as it will take you to the website, and you will also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply to save money on your pro plans. So let's get into it. Now it's actually pretty simple. Mind Manager is a really amazing tool that can help you manage all of your ideas, plans, daily tasks, projects, whatever it is that you want to use, right? If you have an organization, you want to work with them, you have a team, you can create Mind Manager, you can create a board where you can organize everything, right? And I'll show you in a sec. So it's actually pretty simple. All you got to do is just simply come over here, click on try for free, right? And it's not free, but again, you can go ahead and choose the free trial. You have to download the software, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm just simply going to use it in the web. I'm going to sign in using my Google account so that we can get started. All right, so now that we're logged in, this is how it looks like. On the left hand side, you're going to have all of your categories. You can select whichever one you want. We got project and task management, plans and roadmaps, mind mapping. You can select whichever bubble you want, and then you can work around that, right? And here is the home. You can go ahead and select all the categories from here as well. Let's go ahead and select the plans and roadmaps. And here we can go ahead and select the project plan, which is pretty cool. And here we can go ahead and continue with the examples that is over here. So everything is over here, or we can go ahead and start with blank. What I mean by that is either we can go with the data that's already printed over here. We can edit them, change some of the names, some of the budgets and stuff like that. Or we can just create a blank one and start from there. It totally depends on you. So it's pretty cool. It's really simple and easy to use. Definitely check it out, and make sure you check the link in the description below for the website and the promo codes and the coupon codes that you can apply to save money. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.